Hi IPPUNIers, welcome to How to Use series. Today I'm gonna talk about this one, SOMEBYMI Cereal Pore Foamcrub. Kind of physical scrub, but it can use for daily. If you have skin concerns like blackheads, pores, acne, you can use this one. It gives the mild exfoliate and doesn't harsh your skin. It contains the scrub, but it's very soft and it's easy to create bubble. Yeah. So now I'm going to show you how to use this scrub. First thing first, wet your face and put some cleanser on your hand. Add some water and rub it to create bubbles. Create the bubbles. And you only apply on your wet face. The scrub will turn to a creamy foam. And do like this one. Rub, rub, rub. And if you have the blackhead problems, you can rub a bit on your nose areas. The smell so good. I will use the IPPUNI puff to remove my cleanser.
This foam scrub is contain high ripening extract. So over the time you use this product, your skin will become brighter and smoother.
After remove the cleanser with the puff, and I'm going to wash my face. Tada! I'm back, and now I'm going to dry my face. This cleanser is quite mild. The scrub doesn't harsh my skin, and it's suitable for all skin type. Or even you have like makeup, you can use this one to remove your makeup also.
Here is the before I use the cleanser and the after use result.
For your information, this cleanser is not only for face, it also can use for your knee, your elbows.
Now let's do for your hand. First of all, put some of the cleanser on your hand and rub your hands together to create a creamy foam, and then you only apply on your elbow. Massage gently in a circular motions. Next we do for the leg. Put the cleanser on your leg and don't forget to wipe your leg first and gently massage over your knee and your leg. This foam scrub does not contain any plastic particle, which is microbead free, therefore it's very environment friendly. Don't forget to exfoliate your foot too. I have dry skin for my leg, but this foam scrub does not dry out my skin. After massage for 10 to 20 seconds, you can remove the cleanser and wash your leg properly. Dry your leg, and that's it. Ooh, now you get a smooth leg.
That's all from me today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to screenshot the summary of the product at the back. Bye bye.